What's up, YouTube? It's Ambitious Oliver coming at you with another video. And today's video got 2012 Chevy Camaro, alright? So on the Chevy Camaro, we're gonna do the thermostat, so stay tuned.
Crazy.
Alright, very first step is removing the negative terminal. Alright, make sure your keys are not inside the vehicle. Alright, now I'm gonna turn the oil. Good. I remove the cover. $8 millimeter. Okay, right here. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is gonna take out this sensor right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna push it up. All right. Now the next thing I'm gonna take a loose is this right here. It's followed down. So all you have to do is come over here and remove it. So that's removed. And then my next thing is this right here. On that yellow, that white piece, all you do is push it in. After you push it in, and you're able to pull it. After you push it in, you get to shimmy it out. Okay. Now I have this right here. I'm going to have to take that off. Okay. Now I've taken everything loose. Now I'm gonna focus on these 13s and then the 10 that is behind it. Okay. That one doesn't want to come off, so I remove the 10s. I can remove the whole intake manifold. Okay, so after everything is detached, then right here, I'm going to detach my throttle body sensor. Alright, so there should be nothing attached to this. Then I'm going to lift up. Oh, I got one sensor back here. Okay. Alright. Let's remove that. Now you want to cover this to make sure nothing gets inside of it. Alright. And while you're changing the gaskets and everything, then you want to change the water outlet. So you remove these two bolts right here, which are 10. After you remove those bolts, you will see in the picture I showed the gaskets that you're replacing to be 1 and 2 gaskets. Okay, the next thing you do is going to come over and you're going to follow the lower hose. And on the lower hose, there is 2 13s that you're going to replace. So it's a 13 right here. And then there's a 13 right directly in front of the thermostat. And then there's a 15 that's right here. So where this electric hose line is, right directly underneath it. All right. All right, then 15. All right, if you feel down there, you'll feel it. All right, now remove the 13 in front of the thermostat. Okay, so it's a 13, and it's right there. And right there is the hose. From there, you'll come over, and you can actually see the thermostat right here. So I just pulled the hose out. This right here, whole thing that's chrome, is the thermostat. That first black thing is the tube that we just took loose. And then this right here, this 10, is one that you have to take loose, and the other 10 is the other one that you have to take loose. Okay, good. Okay, so there's a thermostat. I got my hand on the pipe. You're gonna twist the thermostat off of the pipe. All right, there you go. Oh, buddy. Oh, that's not good. All right, we good. We can end it. Take off. Pretty much all you do is press on both sides and just twist it, and they'll pop out. You'll pop this out. This is the old one compared to the new one. And on this one, what you're gonna do is you'll make sure you get some glue from that new coolant, and you're gonna spread it across it so that way it seals good. If you have it dry, it's not gonna seal that great. Then you're gonna put this on, put it inside, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna push this down until you clamp it in the inside. So you'll press it down until you get it low enough, and you're gonna turn and put it in there.